Hi there. And if, like me, you're looking forward to Alphe UK in London this weekend, then isn't it exciting? Can't wait to get back. And I'm sure you all feel the same way. But look, what I wanted to do is just share with you a few things. I've got a few things to show you and how you can find us at Alphe London. And also I've got my favorite Alphe London story. So here we go. Right. Well, so we've prepared to be there when we're not there. So I'll explain. Thing is, sometimes at the lunch break and you have to leave your table in the evening and there's nobody there. So obviously you can't be sat there 24/7 because that would be crazy, wouldn't it? So look, what we've done is with the miracle of modern technology, we can now be there at the table at Alphe when we're not there. And this is how we do it. So here's Pete, my virtual image, and I will be sat on my table as me, Pete the cardboard cutout, as well as my colleague Emma. So all of us will be there when we're not there. So you'll be able to see us sat at our table, and if you want to make an appointment with us, then you can. So you can scan the QR code and go through to our Calendly, and you can make an appointment to see us on Zoom, on a phone call, or just at our table. So looking forward to that. And be the best you can be with the Manchester Bee is the theme of Alphe for us this year. So I'd like to introduce you to our little friend, Arthur B. Arthur B will be with us at Alphe this weekend. And also Arthur will be with a lot of his friends. So we've brought along lots of Manchester bees that you can peel off and stick to your coat, and you can be a Manchester Bee. So come to us, get your bees and make your appointment, and we look forward to seeing you. So the story, right, this is a thing. My first Alphe London, it was my debut as an international house school. So it must be, gosh, 2012, 2013. And I had everything ready, I had my brochures, and I did what I always do at Alphe, which is in the morning, I get up early and I go for a run along the Thames and Tower Bridge. It's amazing. And then I came back, got ready and got my suit, jacket, trousers. Right. Panic sets in. I can't find the trousers for my suit. I've not got any jeans with me. I brought my suit, trousers with my jacket, and I'm wearing my shorts because it's summer and I like wearing shorts. So what do? I'm panicking. I'm ringing reception. Have you had anything? Have you seen my trousers? Where are they? Looking in the suitcase again? No. What can I do? By now, I'm starting to perspire a little. I'm thinking this is my debut at the biggest workshop of international travel in the world, and I'm going to have to turn up in my short trousers. And so look, I had to do it. I got in the workshop room early. I got sat down. I pulled the tablecloth over. Oh, sorry, Emma. Pulled the tablecloth. All you could see, shirt, tie, jacket. People probably thought I was being a bit rude because I didn't stand up and shake the hand. I was just like, oh, lovely to see you. I managed to get all the way through to lunchtime. Then I saw Samuel Vetrak and I explained. He laughed. He caused a distraction and I sneaked out in my jacket and shorts looking like a crazy Cub Scout. I got in a taxi, I went and bought some jeans from the shop, came back, finished. But my goodness, it was a little bit embarrassing. So what is your favorite workshop disaster story? Let us know. But listen, lovely, can't wait to see everybody this weekend. It's going to be one hell of a party after 2 years back. So safe travels to everybody. Come and see us at our table and we're going to have a great time. Bye-bye.